Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I go outside and hands on the Huawei new Mate60Pro, and as we can see, this time they use the traditional and classical design language. Back panel they use the slicing design, leather part and metal part, and also the concentric circle and very slim design. This time the thickness of this smartphone is only 8.1 mm and the weight only 225 grams, and they provide 4 colors: the black, green, silver and purple, and I really like the black one. And also we can go to the front, we can find that use the curved screen, 6.82 inch. It's a Kunan second generation glass, and it supports 120 Hz refresh rate. And also the top of the screen we can find 3 small dots. It have a dual front camera and a 30 megapixel, and also the ToF sensor. So this is very flagship smartphone from Huawei, and also this is a very cool technology phones, high technology phones with satellite technology communication. And also after ban from the United States government, so this time the Huawei bring us their new developed 6nm Kirin 9000S 5G chips. So this is pretty cool. And also here is the satellite. You must need a SIM card with a satellite functions, and also you can use it only in China. So this is very cool, and with this function you can call anybody and anywhere. You can only put anybody and anywhere, even if you in a plane or in the very remote place with no signal, you can also contact your friend with this satellite. So this is very cool functions. And yes, so this is about the features. And also this time the Huawei, they improved a lot on the air control, the AI control, and also the durability and the new framework 玄武. So pretty cool. And here is the refresh rate. It supports 2 grade 60 and 120. And also for screen support 1440 high frequency PMW bright light adjustment and 300 Hz touch rate, P3 color range, also a TPO self refresh rate. Also for the battery, and this time they have a 5000 big battery with 880 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging and 20 watt wireless reverse charging. And here is a video about the connect about Huawei to other ecosystem Huawei devices, easily to connect it with Huawei phones, earphones, TVs, and very convenient to your life with these IoT devices. And also this time we hands on the black 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM edition. Here more information about device. Is used the Harmony OS 4.0, the new one. And also this time the phone support IP68 and the Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, USB 3.1, and so on. This is pretty cool, right? And also we can talk about camera. Dual 30 megapixel wide angle front camera plus 3D sensor ToF sensor. And for the real cameras, it supports triple rear camera system. Yeah, as we can see, they use the X-Mage 50 megapixel f1.4 aperture OIS anti-shake, 12 megapixel wide angle f2.2, and 48 megapixel macro and long lens f3.0. It also supports OIS anti-shake. So here I will show you the camera, very simple camera test, and I will put the video and the sample pictures at the end of the videos. in the video. Zoom performance, wide angle 0.5 and 10 times, no quality reduce zoom, and also 100 times mixed digital zoom performance. So yes, it's 100 times. Pretty cool, I will say. And as you can see, when I hold this phone in my hand, the size is not so big. It's totally unacceptable. Width 79, length 163.65, and thickness 8.1. It's very acceptable. And here I found I think it's not so good things. It means when I record it with another smartphone, we can find the black light is always there, and this is, I think the screen can be maybe improved for the PMW puzzle with modular. Okay, this is a video recording test. Yes. So after the cooperation with Leica, the Huawei also use their X-Image technology on the camera part. Yes, so this is very quick, very simple talk and face impression and hands-on video on the Huawei Mate60Pro. So what do you think of such device? And this is the first smartphone from Huawei after the ban from US government. This is the 5G chips, Kirin 9000S, and also most of the parts are only developed by Huawei. So what do you think of such smartphone from Huawei? Do you like it? And at the end of the video, sample camera, photo test, and also the video test. Let's enjoy it. Thanks.